Hello friends, my name is Rakesh and welcome to the Hello World program in JavaScript. Today we will discuss how to write a Hello World program in JavaScript. So let's get started. So first of all, what tools environment we will need for creating a Hello World program in JavaScript. So here we have one editor. The editor name is Visual Studio Code, and we have a browser, that's a Chrome browser, and in that browser I have opened console to check whatever we want to test or errors that can be seen in the console. This can be opened using F12 key. So if you press F12, it will open the developer tool. So let's get started with how to install Visual Studio Code. To install Visual Studio Code, you need to go to the website code.visualstudio.com. Here you can download a specific to your environment, whether it's a Windows, Mac or Linux. So this is free editor and one of the most popular editor among the developers. So let's start with the program. So to create a JavaScript program, there are a couple of ways to add a script. So here, if you see here, we have a demo.html page. This is an HTML page, and we have a demo.js. This is a JavaScript file. And here I have just put welcome to JavaScript in h1 tag. So this can be seen here, welcome to JavaScript. Now to add JavaScript directly into the page, we have a couple of options. So if I put document to insert a JavaScript, we can either use a script tag directly, and between these script tags we can put JavaScript code. Like for example, I want to print document.write. In document, you need to write hello world. Okay, so I have written hello world in document.write. Now if I refresh this page, I can see document.write here using JavaScript. So this is one way to write hello world into JavaScript. The second way, let's go to this demo.js file and let me put console.write. Now console.write, what it do, it will put the message into the console window here in the developers tool. So hello world again from console. So if I say if I save it this file and refresh it here, sorry, it's not console.write, it's console.log. Okay, so see, if any error you made in the code, it will give you error in the console that uncount type error, console.write is not a function. So we need to change from console.write to console.log. Okay, so if I save it here, hello world again from console, this comes in the console. So this is second way to create your hello world program. And the third way, we can use alert. So let me put alert here only, because it's always a better idea to separate your JavaScript from the HTML. Okay, so I will be putting here alert hello world from alert box in JavaScript. Okay, so now if I save here and refresh, it will say hello world from alert box in JavaScript. Okay, it will print this hello world and it will still print console.log message. So these are a couple of ways to print hello world into JavaScript. Also, I would like to add, earlier, like to add a script, you can use either head tag or body tag, and this script tag can be called multiple times. Now if I want to print like this, so this is possible. So this is possible, like you can put a script tag multiple times into the body or head tag. So let's refresh this page and see. So this is coming so many times, so it will be printing hello world multiple times. Also, I would like to add one more point. that earlier, nowadays, you only need to write a script, but earlier we used to write in your old browsers. You might see in old HTML pages a script type equal to text JavaScript. So earlier this code was being used. So you might see type equal to text JavaScript, and you might see this language also, JavaScript. So because earlier when JavaScript got invented, the browsers used to have this language feature. So a script language equal to VB script or JavaScript, like that. But now, because JavaScript is the default scripting language, so you only need to write script. So I hope this video makes sense to you, and now you know how to print hello world in different way, either document.write or using console.log or using alert. So we will meet you, I will meet you in the next video with more examples and more concepts. Thank you very much.